How to turn on notifications for Threads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for Instagram Threads so you never miss a post, reply, or message. So let's get started. Open up the Threads app on your phone. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So this will open up your settings. Just tap on notifications. And then if pause all is toggled on, then just tap on it to toggle it off. Now, you'll see options for threads and replies, following and followers, and many more. You can just change the notifications for each of these options. So if you go to threads and replies, you will see likes. So you can choose whether you want notifications from everyone, from people you follow, or just turn it off. So that's how it works. Similarly, you can do it for your replies and mentions, tags, repost, quotes, views, insights, and many more. Similarly, come back, you can go to following and followers, and here too you can change the notifications according to your preference, and you can do it for your custom feeds, for your from threads, and also your messages. So that's it. That's how you turn on the notification and change your notification on your Threads app. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.